Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your subscription with Disney Plus easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your subscription with Disney Plus, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Disney Plus website. Click on the sign in button located in the top right corner. Enter the email address associated with your account in the designated field. Next, type in your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email instructions. Once logged in, check your account status. Look for any notifications regarding your subscription. If your subscription has lapsed, you'll see options to renew it. Click on the Renew Subscription button. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Follow the steps to enter your payment information. Review the details and confirm your subscription renewal. After successful payment, you'll receive a confirmation message. Log back into your account if necessary to access content. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies on Disney Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.